sécurité numéro 1. Donc avant notre départ, nous allons vous montrer une brève présentation des conditions de sécurité qu'offre notre Boeing 507. Veuillez s'il vous plaît porter votre attention sur les écrans vidéo.
Welcome aboard, and thanks for flying with us. We're committed to making your plane safe and comfortable. So before we depart, we'll be showing a brief safety presentation. This information can help you if there's an emergency, so it's important to pay close attention, even if you are a frequent flyer.
All carry-on items should now be stored securely, either in an overhead bin or under the seat in front of you. And all aisles, exits, and bulkhead areas should be clear. Your mobile phones and other electronic devices should be turned off. Once airborne, we'll let you know when you can use approved electronic devices. But note that some items, such as phones, may not be used in flight at any time. You'll find a list of approved electronic devices in the in-flight information section of Sky Magazine. If this plane features Wi-Fi on board, internet access will be available while we're above 10,000 feet. If you're seated at an emergency exit,